This is the place to be if you want to get outdoors and inside something pretty cool. In fact, Brett from Parris RV, I think we need some attitude to talk about this one behind us.
Yeah, I'm just going to start out by saying, wow. You know, this thing is absolutely incredible. It's a 2021, as you mentioned, Attitude. And this model is a 2814 GS, and it's called a Wide Lite series, which is just it's just an incredible trailer.
I love the cool striping on the outside, like the neon green.
Yeah, you know, they have 4 different exteriors. This particular one is green, but they have a gold, they have a teal, and then they have a black, which is really nice.
The lighting too, inside and outside.
You know, everything has got just tons of LED lights, backlighting behind all the balances, backlighting, you know, even behind the electric beds in the back. The countertop lights up with lighting. It's just tricked out.
Brett, some of them have a functional factor. This, you're right, does have a wow factor, and there's a lot of space inside too.
Yeah, you know, this one, you know, you hit those electric beds, you put those up. That bottom bed, by the way, does make a dinette, or a bed, but you put those up, and then it's got 14 feet of cargo, and basically it'll handle any of those large UTVs that we like to ride.
So why do people love those? They want the ones that can fit the toy haulers.
You know, I think it's because you can take your family out, right? You can take your family out, take your UTV out, put it in there, or any type of toy. Maybe you've got kayaks, you've got you know, paddle boards, maybe a big barbecuer and take it up to the U and go tailgating or something. Anything you can do with an Attitude toy hauler. And this particular one's got 150 gallons of water. It's got a 40-gallon fuel pumping station.
What does that mean for our viewers watching?
You know, you pull your toys up the backside, you can pull out your gas pump, fill up your toys with gas. You don't have to worry about carrying gas cans. Having a lot of water means you just got a lot of water. You're not going to run out if you're out on the desert. And then it's got a 210-watt solar panel with a lithium battery, which is by far the most advanced technology in a toy hauler right now.
A lithium battery, that's what goes on our cell phone?
Yeah, kind of like, yeah, same thing as your cell phone, but just a real big one. And the really nice advantage of that is it'll charge up super fast. And so, you know, you might run it down at night, but then the sun comes out and it charges it up super fast automatically with that solar panel. Plus, this particular one's got a 5500 Cummins Onan generator. You hit the button on that, that charges up your battery.
It does it for you. It's so cool. Beginning of summer, now a good time to buy.
You know what? It's perfect because we've got our families at home. You know, we want to go out, we want to go spend some family time. RVs mean family time. So, you know, you get something like this Attitude, you get one to match your personality, whatever color you like. You've got 2 slide outs, every trick in the book, this big power awning, lights underneath the awning, indoor sound system, outdoor sound system, everything you need to take your family out in style.
I dare you to have a bad attitude about this.
It'll be a good attitude.
Do you like how I did that?
Yeah.
Like how I threw that in there? Parris RV, everybody. 2 locations. All their information is going to be on our website. We'll link you. Come in, check it out, see which one is right for you. abc4.com. Brett, thank you.
Thank you.